crossing grass on a muddy field, on a brown field. This is brown poster paint or tempera, and then I just dab on with this stubby brush. I dab on the grass effect. Of course, it's better if I put a hand under here, but otherwise the whole thing vibrates. And this way you get this kind of muddy grass effect, which I have already obtained over here. Of course, it'll get lighter as it dries. Level crossing final coat of paint is dry. So first you put it on with a flat brush, then you work with a stubby brush and you just dab it on like that, and you get this kind of effect, nearly three-dimensional. Wetting my brush again. This is darker because it's still damp, but if it's damp it's okay. We fit it on al fresco, like an affresco. That way it'll blend even better. Right, I'm going to continue without filming, otherwise I can't hold my board with the other hand and the whole thing vibrates, and we don't want Brunel to suffer a lot of earthquakes. Okay, cheerio.